We are pleased to show you the 2025 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.